there it is, the Ryobi lawnmower weed whacker combo. Comes with the 4 amp hour battery and the +1 setup. And let me put this together. Alright, so it comes with a little tiny catcher. It comes like that. We'll see how to set it up. Alright, so these are all the pieces it comes with. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright, just push these buttons. Slide those 2 things in there. Alright, next you're going to put these screws in here that needed to be threaded all the way through and put these on. Alright, so when you want to let it lay, you leave this in there and it comes down. When you're doing the edges, you take that out. Put that on. And you got yourself a setup lawnmower. It's thin. Do what it do. Alright, drop the battery in. Make sure it clicks. This is the starter key. It won't run without this. Okay, so it's literally a key. And safety down, trigger. There we go. Now, let's check out how light it is. Oh, a little heavy, a little light though. Here goes the height adjustment. You pull out and go to different levels. I'm just gonna take it all the way to the bottom so you can see. Boom. And now for this. Alright, this is what you get in that box. Yeah. Put it together. Alright, so just click these together. And let's put this on next. Alright, now you got 4 screws that you gotta just, drill in. Alright, insert the battery pack and we should be able to watch it fly. There it is, Ryobi 2-for-1 deal. I think it was $230 on Home Depot. I really got this for the +1 system because I want the fan for my trailer. But I'll let you guys know how it works out.